Welcome back. Candidates of 3 major political parties for North Goa have disclosed their assets. All of them are Karodpatis. These Karodpati candidates are Shripad Naik of BJP, Jitendra Deshprabhu of NCP and Pandurang Raut of MGP.
MGP candidate Pandurang Raut, who also hates his party, owns assets worth rupees 1,21,68,604. This is the list of Raut assets. Deposits in banks and financial institutions is at rupees 9,06,295. Bonds and debentures at rupees 2,73,825. Other financial assets at rupees 13,90,117. Raut also possesses 9 vehicles valued at rupees 8,60,000. Agricultural land worth rupees 21,90,000. Building owned by Raut is valued at rupees 40,48,367. Raut possesses a house and a flat in Mapsa, both valued at rupees 23,40,000. Raut's wife Vilasini also possesses jewellery worth rupees 3,69,000. NCP candidate Jitendra Deshprabhu is the richest candidate to contest the Lok Sabha election in Goa. He and his wife alone owns agricultural land in Pedne, which is valued at rupees 100 crores. Here is the list of the other assets owned by Jitendra Deshprabhu. Deshprabhu possesses cash of rupees 10,82,407. Bonds, debentures and shares are valued at rupees 18,75,000. Other financial instruments and policies are valued at rupees 2 crores 38 lakhs. Deshprabhu also possesses 5 vehicles. Deshprabhu possesses jewellery worth rupees 5 lakhs. However, Deshprabhu's wife Rupa possesses jewellery worth rupees 1 crore, which was received by her as parental gift. Jitendra Deshprabhu also possesses flats in Mumbai, Panji and a farmhouse in Pedne valued at rupees 2 crores. Deshprabhu also possesses a bungalow at Dhuler Mapsa with a market value of rupees 50 lakhs. Other houses in Mumbai and Panji are also valued at rupees 55 lakhs. On the other side, BJP Shripad Naik has also disclosed assets with his family members that stands over 1 crore 5 lakh rupees. The list of Naik's assets are: cash rupees 96,000. Deposits in banks and financial institutions stands at rupees 12,32,785. Bonds and debentures worth 72,270. 7 LIC policies worth rupees 5,14,260. Naik possesses 5 vehicles worth more than 1,50,000. Naik and his wife possesses jewellery worth 5,30,000. Business stock in trade stands at rupees 17,36,000. Agricultural land at rupees 5 lakhs. Office worth rupees 5 lakhs. House and land at Sao Pedro Ribandar at rupees 20 lakhs. Perhaps for the first time, North Goa Lok Sabha seat would witness a tough fight between 3 political heavyweights who are also crorpatis. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
It was a violent situation at Kepe as 2 groups clashed over a controversial market complex project at Kepe. There was a law and order problem and the meeting was suspended.
The meeting was organized by the Kepe Karanto Awaz on Saturday. Large crowd gathered at the meeting to get fair clarifications on the market issue. But chaos and confusion cropped up when the views and opinion of 2 groups clashed. The meeting was disrupted as some ruling councillors and others created commotion at the meeting and the meeting took a violent turn. One of the organizers was also injured during the uproar at the meet. Kepe MLA Babu Kaulikar, Kepe Municipality Chairperson Lydia Di Costa and councillors were also present for the meeting. Babu Kaulikar tried to convince both the groups, but all in vain. The aggressive groups were then warned by the DYSP of Kepe, Rohidas Patre. He asked the people to disperse from the place or to face the consequences.
आमी आमचो प्रयत्न आसलो जेन्ना थंय गडबड जाली त्या वेळार तांकां कंट्रोल करपाक म्हणून तांकां आमी एक 5 मिनटाचो चान्स दिलो की तुमी आयदर हांगाल्यान वचा किंवा तुमी तुमची 5 मिनटांनी स्पश्टकाय करा म्हाका लॉ एंड ऑर्डर नाका म्हणटा लोकांनी म्हाजें मागणें आयकलें म्हणून म्हाका लोकांचो अत्यंत आभार आसा आनी केप्यां सारकिल्या सवस्तकाय वाठारांत लोकांनी अशी समजुणकेन बरें काम केलें आनी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर करपाचो प्रयत्न आसलो तो बंद जालो.
A reporter at Kepe, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Stay tuned for more news in our next segment after the break. Watch MPT Chairman Praveen Agarwal on Somalian pirate attacks and Palm Sunday observed in the state.